Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 Flex SE in magnetic. It has charcoal black cloth interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch, with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has keyless entry keypad, reverse camera, as well as window visors. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And we'll just get in there. Start at the top, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center is your display screen, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You also have your radio stations, Sirius radio, as well as CD, auxiliary, and the menu. Volume and tuner, there's your CD player, hazard lights, there's the fan, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. As well, you have the rear climate control, plus and minus with the fan as well. There's a 12-volt outlet. I'll just swing around there. You have an automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders, and the armrest is open. It just pops open there. You've got a USB as well as an auxiliary line in, 12-volt, and lots of room in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body. That makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad. In the back you have a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the Flex badge, and above the handle you have dual exhaust and backup sensors on your bumper. When you're ready to open up the back area, you simply put your hand in the latch, opens easily. And I've got the seats in the back. There's the 2 of them there. They're split 50-50, and they're numbered 1 through 4, so you can easily stow them or set them upright. You also have a 12-volt off to the right here, and there's bins as well as clips and tabs to be able to tether things and secure your load in the back. You have 2 handles. When you're ready to close everything up, you simply put your hand in, pull down, and then it's securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.